Well, this was a very short hike. A couple pillars out there look like they got washed out, whatever they were. But it is very pretty. Alright, off to the next. Alright, proceed with caution. Swimming prohibited. East Rim Trail. Not quite sure. One of the trails is closed. We were already on that one, so hopefully this one's open. It looks pretty. Come on, Shade. I got a dog that wants to go first. So we'll let the dog go first. Pretty little bridge. Very nice. Alright, I'll see you at the next. Well, we're technically not in the stream, but I am a little too close. Lots of people have been walking up and down through here. Park rangers have been grabbing them. This is beautiful though. Beautiful. I think I see a red shirt way down there too, so. I love the rocks. It's just awesome, isn't it? Again, just imagine how much treasure's in here. Someone way up there by that second waterfall, see them? I don't dare. I already seen 2 groups of people get talked to by rangers. So I'm heading back up this way I came. Oh, look! Is that a treasure? Did I find something? They are not a supporter. Just to let you know. Green Energy Service? Maybe that's trying to tell you something. Alright. Wonder if that's reusable. You have the recycle thing on it? I didn't think so. Alright. Well, with that said, beautiful place. Highly recommend it. It's a nice little short video. We'll probably have some more coming up. And are going to be more rock hounding video types. I would love to do some of that in here. I'm standing on a nice big rock pile. But I'm going to try to respect them. Alright. So, beautiful place. Come and check them out. Stony Brook by Dansville, New York. There's waterfalls all up through here. It's gorgeous. Alright guys. Gotta go. Hey diggers. Well, we're back. Back from our little adventures. And doing some yard work. And I'm going to be cutting me some trees. I'm going to trim all the bottoms of these trees so I can actually swing underneath them. Make them look a little prettier. But first, I gotta clean up this mess hanging up in the woods. Alright, see you. Alright, back on my property. Hardly any time to go anywhere to dig, so this is my preferred place. Just pulled this hunk of something out of the ground. I'm gonna start digging everything yet again. So my battery's dying, so gotta go. If you know what it is, leave it in the comments. You'll see more at the wrap up. Alright, welcome back, whatever you are. Oops, almost lost you. Welcome back. Alright, diggers, another hole. Not too far from where I found the button, just on the other side of this tree. And I have no clue what this is. I'm going to dig it all. Almost reminiscent of a gun handle, but not quite. So, you'll see more of it at the wrap up. I'll clean it all up and show you guys. Got a couple knobs on the top. Wonder what it could be. Kinda cool. Alright, welcome back, hunk of steel. Welcome back. Well, yet another hole. Now I don't know what the heck that is. Some kind of a spike. It's pretty darn big. Big old hunk of steel. Rang up in the 30s. Kind of like a wedge. Almost looks like a handle. The hell is that? Yeah, that kind of fits good for a handle. But it's like wedge shape. I don't do electrolysis or anything. Maybe I should start, huh? So, give me your thoughts. What the heck is that, guys? I'll try to clean it up at the wrap up. Alright. See you at the next. Welcome back, whatever you are. Welcome back. Alright guys, real quick, my battery's about to die. Here's the finds. There's just some of the trash over in the corner. It's laying all over the place. I gotta go pick it up and my wife's gonna yell at me. Big hunk of metal that you guys didn't see. I don't know what it is. Big, heavy. This little guy, I have no clue. Looks like it's got a bolt on it. Kind of like a clip. I only got a couple of seconds left here, so hopefully the phone doesn't die. This kind of looks like a gun handle. Too bad it's not. Don't know what it is. Got a couple nubs on there. And this definitely looks like something that you use with your hands. It's not sharp other than the tip. So I'm not quite sure what that is. But that could be the find of the day. Have any clues on what any of this stuff might be? Drop it in the comments. Let me know. Shoot me an email. Let me know. Kind of cool stuff. Alright guys, I'm whipped. It's been a long weekend. 3 days I gotta work, and oh my gosh, and I gotta do this all over again. Woohoo! Just digging life, guys. Keep digging life. See ya.